Hi viewers, so welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss some more problems related to areas. So for my previous videos please go through my channel and watch the video till the end, so it will be benefiting to you, right? So let us start the problems, right? So the question is given, the area of rectangular frame is 1125 square centimeters. If its width is 25 centimeters, then what is its length? So what is the shape that he is talking about? So it's talking about a rectangular frame, right? So the area of rectangular frame is given, right? Now, so since we are discussing about a rectangle, first of all we need to write down the area of rectangle. So write down the things that are given to you. So area of rectangle is equal to 1125 square centimeters. Next, what he has given? So he has given width of the rectangular frame. So what is meant by width? So width is nothing but breadth, right? So he has given breadth of the frame. So breadth of the frame, so breadth is generally denoted by B, so it is nothing but 25 centimeters. And what is he asking you to find? So he is asking you to find the length of the frame. So length is nothing but represented by L. Since we don't know, so let us take it as question mark, right? So instead of taking it as question mark, so for unknowns we can use some XR. So already we are using the letter L, so we are going to keep L as it is. Okay, now we know area of rectangle now. So area of rectangle is nothing but, what is the formula? Length into breadth, right? So already area is given as 1125 square centimeters, so which is equal to, since we don't know length, so keep length as it is, and breadth is 25 centimeters, so take 25. Now if I transpose this 25, since it is in product form, so when you transpose it becomes divided by, right? So what I am going to have? So 1125 divided by 25. Now from this, so what is the value of L that you are going to get? So L is equal to, in 25 table, 25 fours are 100, and we will be left with 125. 25 fives are 125. So from this what I can say? So length of the particular rectangle is nothing but L is equal to 45 centimeters. So clearly, so from this what we can say? Length is nothing but L is equal to 45 centimeters. So this is nothing but what he has asked us to prove. So fine, right? Now let us move on to one more question. See here, question number 4. So before going to this, so if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe the channel. Okay, so if you like these videos, so please share with your friends, right? Now let's see this question. The length of the rectangular field is 60 meters and breadth is half of its length. Find the area of the field. So ultimately what we need to find? Area of the field, right? So first of all, what is the given thing? So he has given length of the field. So he has given length of field. So length of field is nothing but L is equal to 60 meters. Next, what is the statement that is given here? Breadth is half of the length. So what I can say? So breadth of field is equal to half of the length. Half of the length means, so half of the length, so half into L. So already we know, so length is nothing but 60 meters, right? So half into 60, so half into 60 is nothing but 30 meters. So we have found the value of breadth also. Then automatically, so we can find out the area of the field, right? So since the given field is in the shape of rectangle, so area of the field is given by length into breadth. So what is length here? So length is 60 meters, breadth is 30 meters. So you already know how to do multiplication. So whenever you are having zeros, what we can do other than zeros, whatever the things that we have, first we need to multiply. So 6 3s are 18. Now these two zeros are left over, so those we will be writing after this 18. So since the units are meters, so area is meter square. So area of this particular field is 1800 meter square. Now let us move on to one more question. So question number 5. Now here in this particular question, what he said, so the given figure is in the shape of a square, right? And this particular square has perimeter 40 centimeters. So already in the previous videos we have discussed about perimeter of square, right? So what he has given, so perimeter of square, so perimeter of square is given as 40 centimeters. So already we know perimeter of square is nothing but 4 times of its side, right? So you know this formula, right? So perimeter of square is nothing but 4 times of its side, whereas perimeter of rectangle is nothing but 2 times of length plus breadth, right? So all these formulas you need to recall. Okay, so perimeter of square is nothing but 4 times of side, so that we are going to use here. So already perimeter, how much it is given? So it is given as 40. So 40 is equal to 4 into, so what did he ask you to find? So what is the length of its side? So since we don't know the side, so let it be side only, right? So since it is 4 into side, no, so when I transpose this, what will happen? So already 40 is there, this 4 will come to denominator, because whenever you are having into, when it is transposed it becomes divided by. So from this, side is equal to 40 divided by 4. In 4 table this goes 1 time and this can be cancelled 10 times. So from this what I can say? So side of square is equal to how much? So side of square is equal to 10 meters. Now what is he asking? So one more question is given. Also find the area of the square sheet. So next one more thing that we need to find, that is nothing but area of square sheet. So area of square sheet is nothing but finding out area of square only, no. So what is area of square formula? So area of square is nothing but side into side. So here the length is, so which is nothing but side is 10 meters and 10 meters. Sorry, not meters, it is centimeters. Sorry, since the given thing is in centimeters, so we need to use centimeters. So 10 into 10, so 10 tens are 100 centimeter square. So this is nothing but area of the given square sheet, right? So likewise we can find out the things. Now, so one more question. So what is given here? The area of rectangular plot. So what is the shape? Rectangle. So the area of rectangular plot is 2400 square meters, and the sides are in the ratio, 3:2. Then what is the perimeter? So we need to find out perimeter, right? So what is given? Area of rectangular plot. So area of rectangular plot is how much? So 2400 square meters, no? So that square meters I can write it as meter square also. Next what he has given? The sides are in the ratio 3:2. So what will be the sides of a rectangle called? So the sides of a rectangle we call them as length and breadth, right? So that means what he has given, length and breadth are in the ratio 3:2, right? So length and breadth are in the ratio 3:2. Now whenever you are having ratio, what we should do, we need to, so if we want, so what he has given, length is to breadth. So he has given that length is to breadth is equal to 3:2. So whenever a ratio is given, so if you want their individual values, that means if I want length alone, then I need to multiply this particular thing with some k or some x. So with some constant we can multiply. The same way automatically, so breadth also will be multiplied with some k. So from this individually length is 3k, breadth is also 2k. So if you divide them, so 3k by 2k, so then this kk gets cancelled again, we will get the same form 3:2, right? So length is nothing but 3k, breadth is nothing but 2k. Now area of rectangular plot is already given, no? So what do we know about area of rectangle? So area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So already area is given, no? So what is area given? So 2400 is equal to 3k into 2k. So what is the value of 3k into 2k? So 3k into 2k is nothing but 3 2s are 6, k into k is nothing but k square. So which gives me 2400. So in 6 table, if I cancel, so how can I write this as? K square is equal to 2400 divided by 6. So from this, k square is equal to, in 6 table, 6 4s are 24 gone, so 2 zeros are remained. So k square is equal to how much? 400. So from this k is equal to, so 400 can be written as, so k square is equal to, so 400 can be written as 20 square. So from this on comparing, so what do we get? So k is equal to 20. So if k is equal to 20, then what is the length of this particular thing? So length is equal to 3k, no? So 3k means 3 into 20. So which is nothing but 60 meters. The same way, so we can find out the breadth, no? So breadth is equal to 2k. So which is nothing but 2 into 20, which gives me 40 meters. So is this the thing that he is asked to find? So this is nothing but a simple part. So finally what did he ask you to find? So what is the perimeter, right? So he is asking you to find out the perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter? So perimeter is given by, so perimeter of rectangle. How much perimeter of rectangle? So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times of L plus B. So already we know the value of L. So length is nothing but 60 plus breadth is nothing but 40. So what is the value of 60 plus 40? It is nothing but 100. So 2 into 100 is 200. So what are the units of perimeter? So perimeter units is nothing but the units that are given. So here it is 200 meters, right? So likewise we can solve any problem related to areas as well as perimeters of squares and rectangles. Okay, thank you for watching the video. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, right?